Japan and the Koreas. Let's begin this podcast by taking a quick look at the physical features associated with North and South Korea and Japan. North and South Korea combined to form the Korean Peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides that is connected to mainland. Japan, on the other hand, is an island nation. As you can see, Japan is made up of multiple islands forming an archipelago or an island group. Japan is actually made up of 4 main islands and over 3,000 smaller islands. The mountainous country is roughly the size of California. And Japan's most recognizable physical feature is Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji is Japan's highest mountain at 12,400 feet and is actually a volcano, last erupting over 300 years ago. Because of its location, Japan is subject to many types of natural disasters. Like most landmasses that lie along the Pacific Ring of Fire, volcanic activity and earthquakes are common. Large underwater earthquakes can cause tsunamis, like the one that devastated Japan on March 11 of 2011. That deadly tsunami was caused by one of the 5 most powerful earthquakes since 1900. Waves reached heights of up to 133 feet, and water traveled over 6 miles inland. The earthquake was so strong that it moved Japan's largest island, Honshu, 8 feet east and even shifted the Earth's axis. In all, the tsunami killed over 15,000 people and 27,000 were injured. Economic losses from the tsunami totaled $235 billion, making it the most expensive natural disaster in history. Even today, 2 years later, debris from the disaster continues to wash ashore in states like California, Oregon, and Washington. Early history. Both Japan and the Koreas were greatly influenced by China. Religious beliefs, such as Buddhism, spread into the region, and Japan's government was modeled after China's emperor system. Over time, the emperor in Japan began to lose power, and feudalism was established in the nation. Under feudalism, society is divided between nobility, wealthy landowners, and peasants, poor laborers. During this time, shoguns, or military leaders, held power in Japan, and were protected by highly trained and respected warriors called samurai. Like China, Japan attempted to resist Western interaction and influence. The U.S., wanting to trade with Japan, sent Commodore Matthew Perry and a fleet of Navy steamships to force open Japan's borders in 1853. Japan quickly realized that while they practiced isolationism, the outside world was quickly evolving and that modernization was necessary to survive. This belief meant out with the old and in with the new. Japan's government worked to form a modern army and turned against the samurai, taking away their right to be the only armed force in Japan. The samurai rebelled, but the skills and discipline were no match for a Western-style army with modern weapons. During the 20th century, Japan's power grew. Motivated by the thought of ruling Asia, Japan allied itself with Germany and Italy during the Second World War. Looking to aggressively dominate the Pacific, Japan attacked the Hawaiian naval base of Pearl Harbor on December 7th of 1941, bringing the United States into the war. Thank you for watching.